Hey, how's it going? They call me ROC 386 on YouTube. About to show you guys a cold start. 1985 Toyota Cressida. Rebuilt motor, 20,000 kilometers. Thought I'd show you guys this for all the YouTube fans and for Dave's farm. Let's do it. As you can see, I live in Edmonton, and this is all the snow we got. As you can see, it's all covered up with snow. I mean, it doesn't look bad for 85. It's pretty good, except for that. That's for me hitting a freaking post, but whatever. Buy a new one anyway. Let's get in the whip. It's probably about minus 15 degrees out, so I'm thinking, see she cranks. Oh. Started right up. What do you know? 2 tries, but yeah, it's cold out. That's what we get for Canadian winter, so can't complain much. Show you guys the hood. If you guys haven't seen a rebuilt motor before, I mean, you don't see many of these around in Canada anymore. They all rusted out. Mine looks alright, except for the damage I was talking about, but other than that, she's alright. Yeah, she's running a little cold, of course. Even the hood won't come up, but that's all good. But yeah, there you go. I'll make some more videos in the future. Enjoy it. Peace.